Yo, what's up, y'all? It's your boy D coming at you with another one. I'm going to be showing y'all how I was able to make 600%. So, yeah, let's get into it, man. All right, so if you see off the open, it just completely bounced to the highs, and I caught some of that first bull flag, but not too much of it because you see it rejected and came all the way back down to the bottom. Filled the gap. You know what I'm saying? Made that double bottom. And you can always tell when a stock is about to bounce because it usually is about to make a double bottom. You know what I'm saying? Fill that gap. It didn't fill the gap, but it went just halfway. But yeah, you can see it made the double bottom. Boom. Bounced off the double bottom, made a bull flag, flew. And then I took profits at the highs. And man, this thing did a pretty good trend. I mean, it didn't do a pretty good trend. It just trended. It's kind of did pretty ugly price action. Because Trump tweeted and it just tanked after that and made another bull flag. Well, really head and shoulders and then broke out of that and made a, trended up and made a bull flag. So yeah, I took profits early. I could have held longer, but hey, it is what it is. I'm just grateful to be able to gain what I gained, but I need to learn to be able to hold, especially on days like this when the market is in my favor. But we're going to go into QQQ. We on a 2-minute chart. We're going to find today, which is the 10th. Here it is. Boom. All right, so if you see it did the same thing as SPY, basically went low, found a good support, bounced off the support, and flew to the highs. I caught some of that beginning move, just like SPY, but I didn't catch the second move. But you see it did the same thing, made a double bottom. You could tell if you watch my recent videos, they always make double bottoms when they bounce, or they can make double tops, but you see it bounced off that support and then made a bull flag. Kind of came down, rejected, and then bounced again. That's called a break and retest, which is another pattern that you could use to take this. And then it just trended up as well for the rest of the day. Bounced off that other support and just went crazy. I'm talking about they went crazy today. I don't know what the fuck was going on, but yeah, it was strong as fuck today. And I hate when I'm not on the right side of the strong days, because you could take big advantage of those and, capitalize on top of what you already would have, So, but yeah, I'm going to get better at it. But if you don't know what a bull flag is, if you don't know what they look like, you could definitely go to the internet and just type in, bull flag pattern and get the textbook pattern, a trend of what you're trying to trade, and you know what I'm saying, it'll help you out. Because if you see this as a textbook trend, gives you the bull flag pole, and you could take that pole, put it at the base of where it's consolidating at, and then see where your target is at. Because you always want to know your targets, where you take profit, and your entries, where you want to get in at. So yeah, man. That's what the bull flags look like. I always remember that because they high probability. But yeah, that's about it for real. That's all the plays that I took.